Hey guys, I'm Jo. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a foldable travel manicure kit. All the cutting instructions will be placed in the description below and on your screen. So these are the main pieces. One is the lining and one is the exterior, will be 9 by 6, and the back pocket 9 by 8.5 inches, front pocket 9 by 7.5 inches, and a 26-inch length of ribbon. So we're going to start by making the pockets. Take the pocket pieces and fold them in half, and after that you're going to sew along the fold using a 1/8 seam allowance. Now you have folded this along the 9-inch side, which is, I guess, is widthwise. So take it to your sewing machine and you sew close to the edge with your 1/8 seam allowance. Okay, so your two pocket pieces should be looking like this. Now we're going to make the sections for your pocket so you can place your clippers and so on. So those are the measurements on your screen, and you will put them in by marking them out on your fabric piece and drawing a line, a vertical line. After drawing in those lines on the front pocket piece, you will place the front pocket onto the back pocket, matching the bottom and the sides, and pin together. Take this to your sewing machine and you will sew along those lines to connect the two pocket pieces together and to create the sections for your manicure tools. Now, take your lining piece and place it right sides up on your work surface. Then you will take the pocket that you've created and place that on top of your lining, pin them together, and you will stitch around the perimeter of those two pieces to connect them. You will use a 1/4-inch seam allowance. So let's finish up. Place your exterior piece that has a medium weight interfacing on the wrong side of it, and you will fold it in order to find the center. You'll take your marking tool and mark a spot in the center, and this is where you will place your ribbon. So fold your ribbon in half to find the center of your ribbon and place it over, right sides up, on the mark you made on the exterior piece. You will pin this and then you will take it to your sewing machine and sew a rectangle that is 1.5 inch by 1 inch to secure the ribbon to the exterior piece. If you're enjoying this video so far, please remember to give it a thumbs up. So now you have your ribbon fastened to the center of your exterior piece. You will fold the ribbon in the middle and pin it so that it will be out of the way of the seam allowance when you're going to stitch your manicure kit together. So pin this, and then you will take the pocket section that you've created before and place it on top of this exterior piece, right sides together, and leave a 3-inch opening at the top. This is where you will be turning your manicure kit right sides out after you've sewn it together. You'll take this now to your sewing machine and you will use a 3/8 seam allowance to sew around the perimeter of the travel kit, making sure not to sew over the opening. Now use your pinking shears and you will clip the points and trim the seam down a little bit, about 1/8, and after that you will turn your bag right sides out. If you don't have a pinking shears, that's all right, you can use whatever scissors you have. Do not trim along the opening because you will need that ear to fold in to stitch the bag closed. So make sure you get all the corners and poke out the sides, and use your hands to roll the seams and flatten your travel kit. You can press it now to make everything neat. Fold the opening inwards and you will pin and sew all around your travel kit using a 1/8 seam allowance to complete your project. I hope you found this little tutorial useful and that you will consider subscribing to my channel if you want to see more tutorials such as these. I thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next tutorial.